What is the Marie Grove method and why it's changing affiliate marketing for beginners? Hi, I'm Marie Grove. Years ago, I owned a restaurant that went out of business. After that, I spent way too much time and money trying to piece together a true online business. I bought course after course and still didn't get the tools or mentorship I needed. I know your frustration. I know what it's like to work so hard and have nothing to show for it. And when AI came along, I knew the time was right to create a true training system. Something that would really work for everyday people, just trying to make a better life for themselves. That's when I created the Marie Grove method. A smarter, faster way to build your online business using AI. It's beginner-friendly, it's affordable, it's interactive, like having your very own mentor 24/7. Using interactive GPTs and AI-powered content strategies, the method helps you find your niche, pick the right affiliate products, build simple funnels, and get traffic using tools you already have access to, like YouTube, Pinterest, and blogs. No scammy loopholes, no hype. Just smart AI-powered systems designed for real people like you and me, people who want to earn online without wasting time and money. Ready to try it for yourself? Click the link in the description below this video and get my free AI-powered starter toolkit, including affiliate planning GPTs. The Marie Grove method, a smarter, faster way to build your online business.